Hello, IG Garage family. Imagine this. Your car starts acting up with poor acceleration, rough idling, or even stalling, and your OBD-II scanner throws the code P0148 fuel delivery error. Sounds frustrating, right? In today's video, I'll decode what this issue means, show you where the related components are located, and guide you on how to fix it. Stick around till the end for 2 related videos to expand your car repair knowledge. Alright, so what does P0148 mean? The P0148 code indicates a problem in the fuel delivery system, specifically that the engine control module, ECM, has detected irregularities in fuel pressure or delivery. This can impact engine performance and fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about the symptoms of P0148. You might experience rough idling or stalling, difficulty starting the vehicle, reduced fuel efficiency, lack of power or poor acceleration, and of course that check engine light illuminated. So what causes P0148? It could be a faulty fuel pressure sensor or fuel rail pressure sensor, blockages or leaks in the fuel lines, clogged or malfunctioning fuel injectors, a faulty fuel pump or fuel pump control module, or issues with the ECM or wiring connections. Now, where is the sensor located? The fuel pressure sensor or fuel rail pressure sensor, which is critical to diagnosing this code, is typically located on the fuel rail near the engine. It's often a small cylindrical sensor with an electrical connector attached. In diesel engines, the high-pressure fuel pump might also have a related sensor. For precise locations, refer to your car's service manual or an engine layout diagram. So, how do you diagnose and fix P0148? First, inspect the fuel pressure sensor. Check for visible damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Replace it if faulty. Next, inspect the fuel lines. Look for leaks, kinks, or blockages. Repair or replace as needed. Then check the fuel injectors. Clean clogged injectors or replace damaged ones. Test the fuel pump. Verify the fuel pump's pressure and output using a diagnostic tool. Replace it if it's failing. Lastly, inspect the wiring. Examine the sensor's wiring and connectors for shorts, open circuits, or damage. After making repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test drive the car to confirm the issue is resolved. And that's a wrap on tackling the P0148 fuel delivery error code. Ensuring your fuel delivery system works flawlessly is key to maintaining your car's performance and efficiency. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more straightforward car repair guides. Before you go, check out these related videos. P0088 fuel rail system pressure too high. P0471 exhaust pressure sensor range performance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on IG Garage.